flooring, end-to-end wall decor and home decor. One-stop decor solution. Visit soon at Asian Paints Beautiful Homes, Kedarmul, Bimal Kumar, Lakhiyo Road, Shillong.
On Wednesday, Superintendent of Police of East Khasi Hills, Rituraj Ravi, told reporters that there were 5 people on the case of burning a police vehicle parked inside the Mawlai police station. Who covered the face with masks and helmets. In this connection, the police have registered a case and investigation is on.
2:40-2:45. One incident of arson took place at Mawlai PS premises, wherein 5 unknown persons, miscreants, wearing masks and helmet, they hurled one petrol bomb at one of our police gypsy which was parked there, in which the vehicle got damaged. In that regard, we have registered one case under various sections of IPC and also under Explosive Substance Act, and we are investigating.
So this comes soon after the arrest, if you look at it. Is there any link has been established?
We are investigating the matter.
Sir, the police, it seems that the police are again on target. So anything is being done for the protection of the police stations, various police stations?
We urge all our citizens, especially youth, not to take law into their own hands and abide by the rule of law.
So also, have they been identified, these 5 miscreants?
We are working on it.
Yeah, regarding this,
The government vehicles, all in all, so
We are investigating. We are investigating.
any security measures?
We are maintaining highest level of security measures all throughout the city and the district. And we take this opportunity to urge all the youth not to take law into their own hands and to abide by the rule of law. Thank you.
So in view of the elections, additional forces are also there.